Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the language on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zap application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Let me actually close it and open it again, like this. And once you open the application, you should see the homepage of the app. Now tap on the profile icon, then select your Amazfit Bip S Lite from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and find the option called Watch Language. But we need to wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone, so let's wait. And once it's done, find the option called Watch Language, tap on it. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then tap on OK to confirm. And now the language should change on our watch. So if we open the menu, as you can see, it changed. And once you're done, you can close the application on your phone. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.